Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 400 Smith Court in West Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located off of Smith Drive and Sunny Slope Road in West Petaluma. It's on a corner lot. Really deep, long driveway. Nice drought-resistant plants in the front yard. And there's a really sweet courtyard here in the front of the home. Really private. I'm going to stop here for a moment so you can get the full effect of the courtyard. So this is located in the front of the home. You come in and immediately to your left is the TV/family room with access to the 2-car garage. That's the security system. So really nice finished garage with a washer and dryer and an insulated garage door. And it leads into the updated kitchen with newer appliances and a gas range, a really nice stainless farm sink, really deep and lovely. Beautiful garden to look out on when you're cleaning up the dishes. A dining room with French doors to the beautiful garden, which I will take you to in just a moment. The formal living room area. And this backyard is just gorgeous. Lots of plants and privacy. You can see all along the side of the house. Just lovely. A brick patio area, as well as a 3-sided shade structure with trellis roof structure. This would make a great yoga studio, yoga area, workout area. Really sweet backyard. So formal living room, dining room. Double door entry to the master or primary suite. 2 sinks with Carrara marble top, privacy toilet and shower. Oh, we have a little chirper. And then we'll go to the bedroom. And as you can see, it goes out to that arbor structure, really nice. Mirrored closet doors. Hall bathroom. With tub and shower. I'll go ahead and turn off that light so that the fan will go off. And these 2 bedrooms face the front of the home and kind of that courtyard area you can see out through the window. So this is 400 Smith Court in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.